Okay, we've been waiting for a while, so now you can see both line is almost the same. This is the open air, which means one atmosphere applying to both open ends. So that case, I don't want to wait until they perfectly align, but I think you get the idea. If both side has the same pressure, this water line should align. Well, apart from the bubbles, but anyway. Okay, what's the difference between this question? One side is open air, but the other side has gas chamber. So what is the gas chamber? I'm going to use this one, okay, to mimic the gas chamber. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. So now we start with, it perfectly aligned. Okay, we start with perfectly aligned. What does the question tell us? It says the gas chamber is 10 centimeter lower, which means how should I make that happen? Now it's both is the same, right? But the gas chamber is lower 10 centimeters, so 20 10 minus 10. 10 centimeters lower. How should I make the 10 centimeter lower?
Just push gas inside.
Yeah, I want it to push gas, right? Okay, to make the things. Oh, if I push, okay, if I push, okay, this is the opposite of I push. It's actually I use a nozzle to withdraw. Well, people to be able to see. This is when gas is 10 centimeter higher than the air. Okay, when this happens, it tells us what? I'm using extra space, so I'm actually pulling the gas out. Means my gas pressure is less, that much, okay? Is this much less than the air pressure because the air pressure is putting on. The other way to think is I remove this much air pressure. So this case, if I'm connecting the gas chamber like this, means my air pressure is greater than my gas chamber. Make sense? Okay, but actually this question is the opposite because it's the gas that is
pushing there.
Yeah, so which I'll do the opposite. Okay, now I'm going to do the opposite. Okay.
Is that the same with the pipe thing we do?
Yeah. It's the same thing as pipe. Okay, so what makes it to the question? How does that work? So it's actually I'm pushing it. Okay, this makes sense. I put extra amounts of the pressure into it, make the air pressure this cross one actually higher than the other side. So think about what I was doing. I put extra amount means the gas pressure is actually larger than the air pressure. Make sense? Okay, so come back to this one. Gas pressure is greater. So just by gas pressure is greater, I know BD is wrong. So now ACE is gas pressure is by how much? Are we good? So from ACE, the difference is I need to have the correct number. So which formula to use?
I think formula is PATM equals P gas plus density gravity density multiplied by gravity by the delta H.
Yeah. So for the delta P in between. Okay. For the delta P in between.
P or?
Okay. So the delta P.
Oh, okay.
So this is delta P, right? We just visualize that. If I push that much, that's extra amount that I push is delta P. Okay, delta P equals to 20 minus 10 centimeter. This is delta H. Okay, delta H times, centimeter. Okay. This is delta H. G, what's the G? 10, roughly 10, right?
9.3.
Yeah. Okay, roughly 10. Because look, this number is okay.
So I got confused on this part because I saw it's 9 point something, but everything is like full numbers.
It's being rounded up. That's the sig fig. Look at the sig fig.
Oh, the sig fig. Okay.
Okay. Okay, what else? Delta P is delta H, G, what?
Density.
Density. Okay. Does it say anything?
Yeah, it says like up there, so it's long.
Oh yeah, so then
10
you
Celsius.
apply everything.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Yeah, I think the correct answer should be A. Okay?